Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to this ICP update today. I think ICP is now ready to take the push all the way up to 18.910. You don't have any other resistance with ICP because this is just one touch of the wick, and I think it's the idea of the whales play or the big traders to actually come up and take that stop loss and just continue to pump it all the way up to $18.8 now, which is actually good. I think I'm ready to trade if ICP gives a retest, and I think it's actually going to give one retest. Now it's actually down at 13.8 or maybe 13.7. I think you're looking for a very good break. Actually, look, this is a left shoulder head with the right shoulder inverted and shoulders pattern, and this is your nice beautiful breakout. Of course, a lot of people are asking me, hey Adam Coins, why how can you say that you have this head and shoulder? You were talking about $5 and this and that. Even though I've said it so many times, it's just the break that you need. You had this neckline, but you never had the break below it to close and then go down. That's the thing that people are failing to understand. We need a breakdown, we need a retest, and unsuccessful retest to go to the downside. That's what makes a journey possible. Now the journey is not possible if you're not going to do this. Now there's one more thing. So today I'm just going to talk about two things. One is a retest, and do try. I think it's a good idea with the stock maybe down to 13, or the better one can actually be at 12.653, and then you have a nice good 35-36% move up, right? Secondly is I think I saw IOTX with the very similar market situation. Now here's ITX, and if I just turn on the logarithmic scale and go into the daily time frame as well, ITX and ICP were absolutely tooth and nail very similar to one another. So you can see left shoulder head, right shoulder with an ascending neckline here. Now the retest, this even broke to the downside, but the retest happened. Okay, the retest paused and then you pumped up. This was pretty much a textbook fake out, and people try to short it to go down to maybe this target here, but then again it actually moved to the upside, and this is exactly what ICP may do. So you're looking for ICP to do something very similar here with taking this high and going up right there. So that is absolutely some crazy pattern combination right there. So this is, think of IOTX right now as ICP, and you have now, at least you have an opportunity for that one big huge green candle, because that's your technical target. Take this low, take the top, you go there. So that's all for the video. Enjoy the ride, and March entry is opened up. If you want to join, DM me to take the trades along with me, because I'm going to give this on the premium as well. But of course this is on the video. I do like the people are following me, so I'm just going to tell you, hey, we're just gonna trade this one, right? Sometimes I gotta give some freebies away. I have to give back what you give me, and that's pretty much it. And I'm going to see you in the next one in the office.